welcome back to another video. If you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, notification bell, and let's keep the family growing. Hey, let's keep the family growing. So in this video, I'm going to go ahead and give you guys a brand new playroom slash guest room tour. And even though this is a guest room, my son actually likes sleeping here, and I guess that's because all his toys are here now and he doesn't really like to go upstairs. So welcome to the new guest room slash playroom slash Liam's room. We're calling this room the rainbow room because, as you saw in the last video, I'll link it up here somewhere, we did some special artwork for this room, including this one, and this one, all of which my son did the majority of the painting, and he just absolutely loves it. So yeah, let's get into the tour. Okay. So the first thing you see when you walk into the room is this beautiful Canopy stacking bed, which turns into two beds whenever we have guests, or either a king size bed or two twin beds. I have some lighting behind it, so it's like a little night light for my son. And I made it the canopy on the bed. It is just burlap, and I just added a frame to it, and I love it so much. And then when you turn right here, I just have my son's Fox backpack and just some baskets that I get from Target. This one has chalk in it, and this one just has his toy animal, so he can just grab it when he wants to. And then our brand new super big cubby. I added this little basketball hoop for my son, so when we're in here, you can just, oh, this one's too big, hold on. Okay, let's try again. We could just go, oh, I know y'all saw that. Your girl got skills to pay the bills, or something like that. Anyways, so I have some of my son's books here so that we can grab one and read whenever we want to. But most of his books are upstairs. This is just his play ambulance. Some of the things are higher up, so I kind of like rotate them down. But if he really wants to play with something that's higher up, he can ask me. But majority of the things he plays with on a regular basis are down low. So these are alphabet cookies that he likes to play with. This was a gift from his favorite auntie. And he likes to play with that. They're alphabet cookies. If you guys want to look them up, they're really fun. We have Zingo in the back here. This is more of like a multiplayer game, so it's in the back. He has this angel brackets. You can make different things with them. He loves to play with that a lot. And then we have, this is technically a toy for younger kids, but because it's rainbow, my son loves it since he loves colors and patterns and stuff. So, and then up here we have his doll. His it says fearless on there, and of course it has a rainbow, so when he saw it, he wanted it, and I don't say no to my son reasonably. We have this number book, and you can make high numbers. It teaches you, so it says millions, 100,000, 10,000. So my son loves to read numbers, so we play with this a lot. And we have this stackable rainbow. It's not Grimm's because I don't have Grimm's money, but this was I think $5 at Walmart, so we got a couple of them, and it does the trick. It's plastic, but it does the trick. More books, then we have a little panda, and then we have his little drawing board, so he can, whenever we're doing like lessons, we have a couple of writing apparatuses. Subscribe. And then in this basket, we just have some of his play cards. So this is Goldfish. We had a couple, and then we got some more for Christmas, which is awesome. So now whenever we lose cards, we don't have to worry about it. We can just replace it. Matching games and stuff like that. And then we have First words, this, we haven't used that in a while since he knows how to read now, but we can always bring it back out once in a while and have conversations about it. And then down here we have his Patio from his favorite auntie again, and he's currently got into PJ Masks, and we found a cowboy and a gecko, but not an owlet doll, so we got an owlet that's made in plastic. It does the trick. He's happy and I'm happy. So, and then this is his what is this called? Does it have a name in the front? Yeah. Oh, Pato, sorry Pato. So this is a brickyard game where he gets to make different things. It's pretty cool. He got that he got this for his birthday, and this was from Lashana. If you're watching, thank you so much. He loves it, plays with it all the time. And then down here we have some blocks, and then we just have more of the same because he makes a lot of things with those, and we ran out at one point, so now we have 2 sets. And here he has his number blocks. So this is again another counting game. He can stack them up and make different shapes and different things with them, but he prefers to do like math games with it. Here we have his Rubik's Cubes that he plays with. We have a couple different kinds. And then up here we have all of his puzzles. For example, this one is a math puzzle. Basically you can have like math class and do additions, multiplications, and subtractions. You guys will see we have a lot of number related things and color related things, because and numbers are especially his thing, so we have a lot of number related things. And then we just have a board that says Liam's room. It's also magnetic, and we keep the letters to play with those. We keep them in here. So well, so we have the letters, and it goes on here, but right now it just says Liam's rainbow room. That's what he wanted to put on there. We have some ABC puzzles as well, so they just kind of like stay here. He reaches up to here so he can grab whichever one he wants. Back here we have, I already told you, cowboy, you know, gecko, and then we have Connect 4 that he likes to play a lot. And then down here in the first cubby we have magnet tiles, and I think this is like 3 sets because we play with magnet tiles a lot, so we just have 3 different sets in here. And then in here we just have his transportation toys. Some of those go for this third thing, and I think you guys saw in another video that I got this for $5 on Marketplace, and it was brand new, so he can play with his cars and they will go down. Whoop. Woo. So it's really cool. And then on this one we have, are you ready for it? Are you ready? We have trains. So again, I think this is like 3 or 4 sets of train tracks. We got some from Target, Amazon, and IKEA, and they all fit into each other, which is awesome. I'll insert a little clip. I don't think I have a clip, but if I had, I'll insert a picture of him playing with these. I can't believe it. You can't believe it? This one, I basically have our art and learning supplies. So if we want to do some artwork, we have some different like workbooks and things like that in here. So yeah, and then so that's it for this. And then right here we have his play kitchen, and it's pretty straightforward. We have some really cute baking utensils and things. They're really cute. They're different colors. And then we have some of the Play-Doh cutters. So if you want to cut Play-Dohs and make different shapes and stamps, which is also really cool. We have some play food, some cooking dishes and things. A little sign that we got from one of the, I can't remember where we got this from. I think that's one of the packages, and it just says how to safely wash your hands, which is really, really cool. But yeah, this is the play kitchen. Really, really cool. We like it a lot. We play with this a lot. We do pretend picnics and things. And then the final thing of this room, you guys already saw the bed. The final thing is this playmat, which was upstairs in my son's room, but since now this is a playroom, it just makes more sense to bring it down here so that we can play cars. We can build our train tracks on here, and it's really fun. But yeah, if you guys have any idea what I should put up here above the bed, comment down below and tell me what I should put up there. And yeah, but that's it for the playroom tour. So that's it for the playroom tour. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I'm trying to grow the family, but thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, may your guest room bed game be as strong as your coffee game. I'm so lame, but I love you, latte. Focus. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, it's not focusing. Can I love y'all? Okay, there he goes.